I've got a little container, and I bet you guys know why. We've got babies that we gotta take out of there so we can put them in the fry hatchery thingamajiggy. It looks like nothing's coming out of this, so let's pump this bad boy up. Okay, that might be too much. I just need water to be flowing through there. And I also need water from the actual aquarium, so I'm gonna grab some. Might not be as easy as I thought. Didn't want to do it from the same tank, but we might have to. Just simply got a little bit, plenty. Grab this bad boy, put it over here, and we're gonna squish out all the babies. So here we have the babies. Now, typically, it's a little loud by the way. I would do this when they're younger, but I had a bunch of stuff going on in the fish room, so I had to wait a little bit and I got distracted. So now we're doing it. Better late than never. The male is still in there, by the way. See, one baby left. That's it. Put this back in there, same exact position that it was in. And now we get to take care of all these babies. Look how cute these guys are. Look how many there is. I see like little itty bitty dollar signs. Now we're gonna release them into here. Just be ready. Release all these babies into this little aquarium, little breeder box. Sometimes they stick to the container, so you have to be careful you don't get not out of the water for too long. You can do this also a little slowly. You can see a bunch of them start to come out now. That's all of them. And no more in this container. And now they're all in here. Now you might be asking why we're taking them out. First of all, we get to see how many we have. Obviously, that's a good idea to have. But as well as the fact that they can find food a lot easier than if they were in this huge, well, it's not a huge aquarium, it's a 10-gallon aquarium, which is still a lot better than a full-size 20-gallon or 40-gallon. But in here, they can find food every day really easily, and their bellies are so small they need to be constantly eating. So in here, I get to control that. And I can see if something's going on a lot easier than somewhere else. So yeah, that's basically all I have to say about that. But yeah, I'm gonna throw in some food in here for these little guys. I have some pleco food I'm gonna throw in there. Waitress, of course. I also have this food. Bottom feeder tablets from Pleco Ceramics. I'm not sponsored by them or anything, but they did give me this for free when I went at the fish swap. I did buy fish, so I guess it's not technically for free, but they threw this in there. I'm gonna do a full review on it later, but my fish are loving it. Let me see if I can show you guys really quick. I mean, these guys eat everything, but this must be really strong on the protein, so you have to be careful also how much you feed, especially to your fish that are mainly based on veggies, like most fish on those are, so be careful with that. They do love it. They're all them babies. So many of them. Awesome B-roll. Take some photos. So in here you can actually still see that they still have see the little orange thingies on their stomach, sorry, right there. Those are still their yolk sac. So they feed off of that until that's all gone. And once that is gone, then they go start looking for food. Now what I like to do is when they get to about this size, typically it would be in the breeder cave breeder box before this, but since that took so long to take them out, I am going to throw in a little piece of, what do you call it, wafer. Hopefully they go for it. If not, I'll just take it out tomorrow morning, like so. And we'll see what happens. If they eat it up, that means tomorrow morning I'll add more. If not, then I'll just take it out. But yeah, I need to add more water to my son because it's too loud right now. Anyway, I wanted to say thank you for watching. Ooh, it's very bright. Thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And let me know if you have any video ideas. I've kind of run out a little bit as of for right now. I've got a few other DIYs coming up, but I need to get some new brainstorming ideas. So let me know. Drop them down in the comments below. And don't forget to check us out on TikTok and Instagram. I'm posting constantly on there every day, whether it's shorts, TikTok, like little videos, reels, etc. I'm also on Facebook. If you want to buy fish, eBay, Facebook, or Instagram also works. Peace. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hopefully I see you in the next video.